Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to be done carefully, sensibly, appropriately, maybe only when you're ready, but to allow something other than what is normally in charge of your practice to be in charge. So this may mean, rather than your head, your heart, rather than your memory, your spirit, rather than yourself, your classmate, rather than your mind, your principles, rather than your mind, your teacher's voice, rather than your body, your breath, rather than the breath, the breeze. Don't know. So a lot to consider. But practice this sort of specific form of surrender as you go through your practice. So I certainly wish you the best with that one. And it's nice to be in charge. It's nice to have somebody else in charge of you too. So enjoy and look into that. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.